The retail space is an interesting one. There's a lot of structural change and there's a lot of disruption happening in the space which is eating into companies' profit margins. The companies that can get it right and get the turnaround story right, investors who buy those companies will be quite handsomely rewarded. In saying that, those opportunities are quite hard to be on ahead of time, ahead of the herd, which is how you make money out of that space. A lot of the short positions, a short position in a stock like Myer has actually decreased from well over 20% to 12 to 14, so Richard Umbers and the turnaround story seems to be going okay there. We're not saying it's a screaming buy or anything like that, but that's an example of a turnaround story. More recently, we saw Flight Centre report. Fundamentally, the consumer nowadays is not going into bricks and mortar stores. They're shopping online and they don't really care who they fly with. They want the best price. And if they're actually getting the best price, that usually goes with a smaller margin for a company like Flight Centre. In contrast, a company like Webjet, which is purely online, has been doing a lot better than something like a Flight Centre.